All right, good day, everybody. Welcome to Plan B Express, and this is the cash flow system. Cash flow system is great, wonderful stuff. And to be very candid with us, the secret of the cash flow system for building a strong portfolio. Now, most time I've seen and I've told people the truth of the matter is that there is no genuine crypto investor, number one, that is not broke. No genuine crypto investor that is not broke. I'm not talking of gamblers. There are people who just gamble and pump, use people to pump and dump. They can do anything. But the real people who are in business, it's just like when you see a real businessman and you see another person who lavish money anyhow. I'm not talking of lifestyle, who lavish money anyhow. He knew that this person is not genuine. A genuine business person is always a business person. How do we mean? You may call it stingy, but that is every businessman needs money for more business. And that's the truth. Every genuine, and I mean every committed, serious-minded, genuine businessman need more money at every point in time. Then when you come into crypto, and we see some people as if they have not made money and all of that, they made, but their target, their focus is large. When you see people wasting money like audaciously, buying things, junks that are not important, you know that they are not into real business for that matter. Every genuine business person is meticulous. That's the truth. I can say this time without number. Now, the secret of cash flow system, I kept teaching this about for a very long time, why you need to have cash flow in order to build a giant portfolio. Let me quickly show us something very importantly. I love what happened today. And what really happened? Now, this is the secret of it all. This is what happened. Now, this is a forum. This is our platform. Okay, this is a platform for information. Now, look at this information. Fragile market, let us exercise some caution because, like I said early on, the bear market or the bear flag was critical as BTC was unable to break the resistance. If it print the next candle red, then we may retest 22.8 or 20,700 before a new bounce. I am targeting to short the market because the fundamentals are not good and it's gradually be confirming technically. And I show them this, look at it, that look at all those chances or places that we could, right? Now, 21 days and all of that. And I told the people, if we couldn't hold this, then we bounce back to this very strong structure. And then if we break this, that will go worst. But you saw what's just happening now. Now, this is being foretold. Now, even when people saw this, look at it with the chart drill. Okay, you see? Even when people saw this, and then we're here that time, that's about 20, the confirmation for the bear was from the control line of about 24,000 exactly, or thereabout, that, man, the structure was broken. Of course, we broke the structure at this confluence so crazily. And I say, oh, the market is terribly bad. And then, now to short the market, of course, every serious-minded persons who have short the market will have known that the market was going nowhere because of the bear flag. Look at here, look at here, look at here. Then in the series of touch, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is mad. Let alone for long-term view, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All these were just struggling. Now this continue to struggle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what do you expect? Then we have a very long bearish engulfing candle, and then there we go. And then we saw where we are right now, the market. Now, as a serious-minded crypto business person, you always want more. Why? Because there's always what to buy more. There's always need for money to buy more. So the essence of the cash flow is to be able to have more money to take advantage of the market at all time. It's all down when I build cash flow so crazy. Every now and then I build my cash flow. And I share with people why they need to build their cash flow. Okay? Why they need to build their cash flow. Of course, using the dollar index, is opposite. This is something, some secret many people may not really understand. Using it alone can even help a lot. Now, looking at this market, and then we saw what happened to Bitcoin. Then we dropped down, right? Now, after we confirm from up here, okay, somewhere here, yeah, somewhere here for our time frame. And I said, oh, you know what? This was a long bearish engulfing. And then struggling between the 50 MA, and then the market went banana. And then people thought from here, this thing, I need to show you guys. You see what happened here? See what happened here? This was a kind of repeated things for some years that I've seen before. Let me quickly show us something. So the market is not magical. The market is with illustration and fact. Just need to know what exactly you're doing in the market. Yeah, I'm going to show us something here. Let's do here. So why I always build my cash flow system. Why I build my cash flow system. Okay, I'm going to do you guys something here now. Never mind. Take off all these guys. Take off all this guy. Okay, so don't mind my chat. So take off these guys. Okay, gonna go something very different now. Okay, now many were chanting different things altogether, even when we're telling them, relax, the market's not going to honor this thing you're saying. Fundamentally was not favorable. So many things were against the market, and people were still chanting, we are going this, we are going up. Some still continuing to even long, even when it was not too clear. When you're to stay off the market, people were longing as much as possible. Now, this is what really happened for the markets. I'm going for 1 week. I saw something that many do not really understand. Okay, now I saw, okay, I'll just take out this. So cryptocurrency is not magical. So, but I build cash flow for things for time like this. Okay, I build cash flow for time like this. Never mind. Take off these guys. Okay. I build cash flow for a time like this. Okay, so let's go here. Sometimes people pay attention to things that are not important and pay less attention to things that are important. Now, I was checking back of a kind of divergence that I saw, but what took me on to pay up attention was that after that, I could see a very serious move in the market, different from what people looked for. Okay, this happened. Okay, now this happened before, like was a kind of fake out here. going back to this, this is the one that interests me more. There was a place that interests more of things that repeated itself that we are now going to play in 2015, 2018, thereabout. Okay, where are you? So sorry, I'm not going detail. I just want to show you why I get crazy in building this place. Okay, now this is what happened where we have, this is the place I want to pay up attention. All right, this place, we have a kind of, cross here. And as if that was the main crossing in MACD, cut it. Fantastic. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I am looking for. Mr. Man, show us your color. So this guy broke up here, right? After like the market was dumping. So that was in 2019, okay? The market was dumping after 2018 or thereabouts, 2018. So the market was dumping as if though we are bottom. And then the next thing, okay, the same thing repeats itself in 2018 here. And then, but this is the one that really shows it just like the COVID-19 2020. Now, after as if we're out already, then there was a divergence and the market leap up while the market was crossing down. And then leap up as if we're out. Then a little shot up, for instance, here, and then we'll have a big crash, which is like similar to what we're having now. Rallied up, and then a big crash. Now, people are already looking at this guy, this is it. Now, you cross, and we are having a drop. Do you understand? The MACD line crossing the signal line, and yet the market was crashing. Then later, we had the market just leap up as if, oh, we are crossing, and then a big crash. After the big crash, similar to this, what happened next? Then we're about to pick up. Now, this is what's going to happen. If you go to the market now, it's going to take people unaware. The dimension it will take, people will not imagine it. Okay, you can see the market now say, oh, it's as if I'm finding the bottom. Now, people will still be looking at, can I enter, can I not enter, and all of that. For me, if I want to do, what do? I can just buy more. But BTC is not my own problem. Now, see what I'm showing to us. What I'm showing to us is this. I, Felix, say, hey, I'm doing diversification. There was a coin I needed to buy more, but I bought little, but more expensive. All right. Now, as the market dropped, I actually need over 100,000 of this coin for a purpose. Oh my goodness, it's already moving. I need 100,000 of this coin for a purpose. And I could only afford 25,000 of it. But as I bought it yesterday, 25,000 of it cost me 200 and something. Now 25,000 cost me 200 and something. Okay, let's go here. So 25,000 of it cost me 200 and something. Now look at where I said, cash flow. So 25,000 cost me 200 and something. Now, as I checked the other time before now, it cost me 160, now 166. See what I want to do. I diversify. So I have to look around all my platforms. Where can I see money to buy this, more of this? Now, remember, I bought at $200, 2+, and I make loss yesterday. See what I want to do. This is one of my platform of cash flow, the cash flow platform. Now, the cash flow platform we have, We call it the cash flow. Let me quickly go back there so that many people will not understand what we do per time. And that's why I do not depend on things, I use things. Now, this is the cash flow system. What do we say is for cash flow system? This is a platform. This is a platform for different business opportunity, especially in the area of blockchain technology, stocks, and online. So let me quickly show online, affiliate marketing, and digital transfer. So you are always going to be presented new opportunities on YouTube channel and all of that. So we have, this is the cash flow system. Now, one of it is the CISO exchange. Many don't know what I use CISO for. Apart from all of those things, we believe in the rumor, what's going to happen in CISO. But look at it now. This is an example. I've looked around, I have different platforms for cash flow. Then I've looked around, others is for still accumulation. If you go to Drip Network, okay, now on the average, this one Drip Network is having this. That means on the average, this Drip Network, 231 drip, that means on average in a day, this is going to be making 231, okay, multiplied by 231 multiplied by 0.01. So on the average, it's going to be any 2.31 per day, multiplied by what's the average price now? Maybe $8 or $9. Okay, about 8.65. So multiply by 8.65. So that's on the average about $19. Before it was about $24 because the price went to $10 plus. Now, this is the question. I needed money now. I come here. Even though this one is bringing some fraction, I can't bring out money from here. Now, I go to another one, which I know that is paying money every day too. Now, Drip Garden. I'm just using an example for you guys so that you know why, the secret of the cash flow system. This one on the average is making $56 on the average in a day. But it's not this dollar we are interested in. What we're interested in is this volume of the plant that is growing. So there, instead of even harvesting this, I'm busy compounding. Now it has given some volume. You say I compounded last 5 hours. After 5 hours, it has printed about $12. So instead of me even harvesting this, I go ahead and say, oh no, I don't want to harvest you, which are having about how many plants? 327,000 plants. So I go ahead to say, you know what? What we are going to do is that we are going to compound you. Now, understand the secret of cash flow system. The secret of cash flow system. So what is here? 2,400. Let me go. I have to refresh this guy. 2,449. So 2,450 should be. Now, I just want to compound. Now, here is no go area for me. I'm going to tell you why. Because I need more of the accumulation of the volume of the plant so that when plant become more expensive, I can make more money. Now, the secret is this. We have diversification, and that's why we do not depend on something. We use it, because that's the mistake a lot of people make. We use things rather than to depend on it. But what is our concern? Our portfolio, we want to build a giant portfolio. Now, you see I've compounded. It's saying, okay, 11,000 and then 330,000 volume here. Then having like maybe 3 or 4 accounts similar like that. Then on the average on Drip Garden, you can do, maybe this wallet is doing average of $150 per day. But this $150 is not a consumable. You see why no real crypto investors is a waster. None of them. Now, why? Even if this is making average of 150 because you have maybe 3 or 4, 5 wallet, is making average of $150 in a day. Now, if you look at it by somebody who is a waster, is going to look at $150 in a day multiplied by 30 days. It's going to say I'm a rich person. And he said, oh, I am rich. I'm getting $4,500 per month. Now, in Nigerian currency, I wouldn't know what's the exchange rate. Let's say 650. Now, it's the average of 2.9 million naira every month. Now, sometimes, because you are just a business person, somebody will come to ask you, if you are making 3 million naira every day, every month, why don't you help me with 100,000? I may not have even 50,000 to help you. Why? Okay, let me go quickly. Look at it now. I want to buy this coin. Now, it's already growing against my target. And I'm looking for money everywhere. You say, this is wickedness. It's not wickedness. Now, what should I do? I've checked around, I cannot do. So I come to CISU. Now, if you look at CISU on the average, let me go. I still withdrew from CISU either yesterday. Let me look at my withdrawal history. So for you to know that all this money, okay, yesterday was 17th. Today is 19th. That's 3 days ago. On the 15th, I would do like 137. On the 17th, I would do 135. So 137 plus 135 is already about 260 something. Yeah, 30 plus 30, 60, and then that's $272. And on the 17th, on the 15th, right? On the 13th, I still took out 143. I think that should be the same week. Now, where are this money going to? Now, this money, they are going now to another thing. Now, I quickly check. I needed another money now. Okay, I needed another money now. So what should I do? Quickly, I just want to log in. I'm going to collect this money out because I needed to buy a coin. Come on, that's crazy. Now, let me quickly just log in and show you now why an average, the real crypto investor, so the real crypto investors will not waste his money. Rather, he will build up his money. Now, this is the secret. The secret is that you need to build up cash flow so that when you start over the years, when you want to invest in another project, you will not need to go to your bank account to explore out money. You go to another system and transfer maybe from the earning you have made, whatever, and push it to another investment. This is the secret why sometimes people say, I lost money and all of that, because you have not been able to, first of all, look at building portfolio. Secondly, look at how to generate a cash flow system. Then when you generate cash flow system, the more you generate cash flow system and implement the use theory against dependent theory, the more you're able to consolidate and you have what to fall back to. Then there's a time for you not to even harvest a dime from what you are buying. Most time people go out and then the moment they just make some money, they start using it. No, in crypto, and you want to do well in building your portfolio, you do not need to start, immediately you just make some profit. Like today now, some people must have made profit by shorting the market because we short the market, I short the market, I made about 112% on then maybe it must have closed, I don't know, whatever it's doing. Now, and my boat, if you look at it now, my boat has been trading, like, look at it, my boat has been buying more. Can you see? Instead of selling now, my boat was just buying. Matic, Solana, ZIL, BNB, and all of that, Ethereum itself, and all of that. So what do I need? I needed to buy other coins. So I quickly look at it. Where can I pull out money? No money anywhere. Oh, I go to my, what's it called? CISU. So look at what I'm going to do now. So I quickly go to CISU. Yes, I go to CISU, and then I want to deposit money from CISU. This is what we call cash flow. Right? I go to CISU. I want to collect some money from CISU. So I quickly pick up the wallet address and now go to CISU platform, which is a cash flow for me. And then I go to CISU. I say, hey, Mr. CISU, are you good? He say, yeah, I'm good. Can I have anything from you? He say, yeah, why not? Come on, check. Okay. So I quickly look, I paste the wallet address, then look at the CISU that is there. Now, oh, it's going to give me $228. That's not too bad. So I go ahead and pick up. So take OTP to make sure that you are the one doing these transactions. I want to be sure that you're the one. So let's wait for it. Now the OTP is here. So I copy it. Okay, I go back to CISU platform and then paste, submit. So I'm going to wait for a while. You can see now $217. Okay, $217. Is that so? Yeah, something like that. So I'm waiting. You can see all this money I'm withdrawing. I'm not using it to buy food. Yes, so I may have emergency or a need of buying food, but I'm not using this one to buy food. Because if you look at the Sizzle platform now, I started since December last year, and I was not too even serious about it. But if you look at it, it's telling you that all so far so good. What I've made is over, so far so good. What I've made, and what is it telling you? That what I've made so far so good, it's about, yeah, let's see, total earning. That's about $20,700. Now, it may not be up to that because I've been withdrawing because the volume of the coin, but as the price of the coin is going up, let's say on the average, I made about $10,000 or $15,000. Yeah. Why? Because the price you are seeing here is, they are showing you that this volume, but there was a time I must have withdrawn much volume, but in the less price of the coin, because look at where the price of the token is now, as it were. So now the volume of money I've invested locked. Now, this account now, once it end up to 6 times, because I'm ranked, third rank in the system, I myself now have to make the 4th rank. And if I get the 4th rank, what really happened if I get to the 4th rank? Now, in the 3rd rank, it means all things being equal, which all things will never be equal, by the 1st of every month, I should be earning like $1,250. In Nigerian currency, how much would that be? Let's quickly look at on Binance. Binance. Okay, so diversification, building a cash flow is one of the greatest secrets I find for myself in the crypto space. I do not play with building cash flow. I'm so crazy about building cash flow. I do not play with building cash flow. But people just hover around. No, I'm not blaming anybody though. It's a secret you may not have access to. Okay, some people get carried away. This and the, I don't do that. I'm not interested in title. I'm interested in building capacity. And so building capacity, and that's why I tell everybody when they come around and say, you know what, for you, okay, what is so here? Let's, network congestion. Okay, you guys will not congest me. Binance have that lifestyle of bringing congestion and all of that. Of course, it's going to be congested now. Now, that's the advantage I have over using my boat. Okay, so let me quickly check the history. If it has gone, waste my time logging through my app. So let's see. Okay, it says success. If the phone, if the DEX is messing up, I can check on my app, check on my wallet, because it can be congested sometimes. So congestion can really happen. Okay, so but I just do hope. Yes, my wallet, spot wallet. If it has come, I will see it now. Oh, lovely. It has actually come. So let's refresh. So $217 deposit. It has actually come. So let me refresh for Binance, because I actually need to pick that money fast. I need to pick that money fast. Binance. BB conjunction for Binance. Okay. Now look at it. I have told you guys that it has come. How do we know? Look at it. This is the USDT. If I click on deposit now for you to see. Now, this is the whole essence of cash flow. Okay, see, $217 is already in my wallet. So what exactly do I want to do? Felix, where are you going with it? Oh, you see, that money is away from a platform now, it's going to another place. So I'm going to convert it to BUSD. Can I? Let me check. Because the coin I want to buy, oh my goodness, this guy is reducing in. Now I want to buy on Pancake Swap. So let's look at it. Pancake Swap. Okay. So I want to buy the coin. Veta. So you can see I have bought 25,000 and then I've lost value of it because of the worth of it. Okay. So let me see if I can buy with BUSD so that I can send BUSD here. Okay, lovely. So I'm going to send BUSD down here. So you can you see, guys? So I'm buying more. So why do I buy this coin more? I just want to use it for something. Okay. And even if I'm not using for something, now since I have a target on it, and then it has dropped, it's an advantage for me. Remember, my target is to have 100,000 of each. And there you are, I only have 25,000. And there you are, the price of the coin come down. What's my advantage? Dollar cost average. So guys, look at quickly what I'm going to do. I go to Binance and then change the money to BUSD. That my USDT that was sent now. I'm going to change it to BUSD. Okay. So how many USDT? It was 217. So let me just take 200. All right. Or let me take, yeah, let's say 200. So I'm going to take 203 BUSD. So to quickly buy without wasting time, I'm going to use Express. Okay. So there you are. Now I've had 217 BUSD. So I'm going to take, right? So I go to my wallet. So it's important. Now, where was this money coming from? If I want to take this money from my bank account, may be difficult for me. Yeah, because I'll look at it, oh my God, the price of market is coming down. Blah, 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 blah. No. Everything, you create a purpose for it, and that's why we move money. So I wouldn't even know how much I'm moving now. So I'll go to my wallet. So let me go to the wallet probably and pick the wallet address, for instance, and then move over here. Okay, move over here. Okay, paste it. Okay, so BUSD. Okay, that's Binance Smart Chain. Now remember, when you are sending BUSD, you are not charged. So let me send 210. Okay, so 210 BUSD. There we go. So yes, I'm sure. So it's asking me for verifications, and please always protect your account with a lot of step by step. Don't be tired. So people tell me, this stress is too much. Let it be much to avoid unnecessary crying. Okay. I'm going to put that. Okay. The essence of diversification, the essence of cash flow is that you want to build, the essence of cash flow is that you want to build, a lot of portfolio. You want to increase the capacity of your portfolio. And then for you to build your cash flow, for you to build your portfolio effectively, you need a cash flow. You need cash flow, guys. So that's why you see me most time, though I don't, it's not all platform you see me doing, be careful. But sometimes when I look at the thing, timing is very important for me to leverage on something. Timing is very important. It's of great essence. Every great investors always look at timing. There are times you come into a platform, you come in at the wrong time, no matter how strong and big the company is all about. So timing is of great essence. People thought timing is not important. Timing is very important. This is another cash flow, right? This is another cash flow called Mavi Otron. So Mavi Otron, both affiliate system and their blockchain, Otron blockchain, you can see. Now, I still have money stake in the, okay, so let me just switch to Otron. So I still have, okay, I still have the staking of Otron that is on making money on the affiliate of Otron, Mavi, and then stake on the farm. You can see now what was stake here. That was on the average, this is about $550 something. It was $500 actually. Now, what has accrued is about $22, but it's not the dollar that's my concern, it's the coin. Why? If I'm able to accrue more now before this percentage will reduce drastically to maybe 10% per annum, then I will have gotten enough volume. At that time, what about the price of this coin now gets to maybe 50 cents or $1, and you have accrued like 10,000 pieces. 10,000 by $1, that's $10,000. Meanwhile, you use $500. Even this, what you lock to will have grown. And then you can unstake it and take your money out. Now, but if I even want to waste it now, I can say, okay, let me harvest this. But it's a waste. So I wouldn't disturb myself here, but I'm just accruing. Just understand this. This is Mavi, and then this is going on. Now, let's go back quickly to if this guy has come, he ought to have come. So let me quickly change to MetaMask, Binance Smart Chain. This is what we call cash flow, building cash flow. It's crazy, it's amazing. You just need to know what you wanted. That's simple. Okay, so let's go. Where are we now? BUSD. So connect. Go ahead. Let's see. It has come, guys. Look at it, BUSD. So I'm going to buy what of $200. Okay, or 210. Remember, I want it more. I want this guy very much. So it's going to give me 31,000. Can you imagine? I use $230 to buy 25,000. I'm going to use $210 now to buy 31,000. But they're going to charge me tax. Understand that. Now, close. Oh my God. So they're going to charge me tax. But if I bought on their platform, maybe they will not charge me that much tax, but I've not really had time to go through all this. Okay, now, there we go. So let's go. It's confirming. It's confirming. Now, it's confirmed. I have 58,000 now. Everything I have now is 58,000. Now, 58,000 is what I have. Where's my target? My target is 100,000. So now let's quickly look at it. Now, even if the price of this coin come down, look at the secret I'm showing to you now. Even if the price of this coin come down, I will rejoice because give me more opportunity to now buy more. So 58,000, okay, like 58,200. Let's just say 58,000 minus 100,000. So I'm going to 42,000 more. I need more 42,000. Now, so I've gotten now. So if you look at it, the price, imagine if I was able to have even bought, when the market came down very well. That would have been crazy. Now look at it. See, the market came down here to 0.0058. Now, if you look at it, the money I use now, right? 210,000 or $210, right? Divide by 0.00205, beg your pardon. Let's look at it. 580 something. Let's just say 59. Okay, 5806. That'll be 36,000. Now, just now, I missed some volume. Now, so imagine like that $250. If I'm buying with $250, divide by 0.005806 will have given me 43,000. So what really happened? When the market was coming down, it was to my own joy. But other people say, oh, why is this market coming down? But somebody is happy because he wants to buy more. All right. Now, what if the price crashed more? No problem. But look at it. No matter how the price crashed, some people are still in profit. People who were in it 7 months ago, now they are still in profit about 300 and something percent. Cut it. Even people who bought 30 days ago, they are still 132%, guys. So that means if 30 days ago, look at it, 30 days ago, amazing, guys. 30 days ago, that was, today is 19th. So let's say 30 days ago, about 2028 thereabout, okay? 30 years ago, about 28 thereabout. So imagine $250 or $230 divided by 0.0028. That is 82,000. So 200 and something dollar will have given me the almost to what I'm looking for. So give and take, look at my 210 now and 230. So 210 and 230 will be 440. 440, all right, divide by 0.0028. That will have given me 150,000 pieces. Now, 150,000 pieces now multiplied by, what's the prevailing price now? Come on, guys, can you see that it's going? Multiply by 0.00, right? 67, and then 4053. That will be $1,000. $1,000. So 440 months ago, $1,000, 59 whatever. So now what really happened? Where the price, what was the all-time high of this coin actually? Was 2 cents. Okay, so that's about 157,000 thereabout, 157,000 or thereabout of the coin, multiplied by 0.02. That would have been 3,000 plus. And that was a month ago and whatever. Now, so if you look at it, I'm looking for 100,000 pieces, even with the prevailing price, multiplied by 0.007, 0.0674,053. Oh, am I good? So we said, okay, 100,000 pieces multiplied by 0.006, let's say 68 because of fraction. Well, that's just $680. Then I got to look for a place to get this money out. What's going to give me the volume I'm looking for? 40-something thousand right now. Come on. 40, let's say 43,000. Shit. I need $300. Where can I get it? So, okay, guys, can you see? So you can now see why I diversify. Now, this is not where I can't pick out this money. You know, I got to start checking other platforms where I have, you know, investment. You know, that's the meaning of cash flow. You know, I have to like start looking for everywhere. And now, can I tell you guys, I need money for many, many, many things, but they have to stay away first. This is why every genuine crypto investors are broke. Now, broke in the sense that he asked them for money they would not have. I'm telling you from experience, genuine crypto investor, I'm not talking of other businessmen now. So when you go to other businessmen, you cannot see the reason why when you're asking them for money, they don't just flaunt money everywhere. One of my mentors told me, he said, you can't flaunt money everywhere when you are not a politician. Because if you genuinely work for your money, you won't waste it. That's the truth. You can't waste what you labored for. Genuinely. If you win lottery, you'll be misbehaving around it because you do not really know the value of that money. So it just came to you as lottery. So when you win lottery, you can just misbehave around it because it's of no value whatsoever. So you do not even know what happened. You don't know how the money come about. So you're going to waste it, right? It takes the grace of God for you to win lottery and maintain, right? So people who work for money don't waste money. Because people who work for money, they know the value of money, okay? So you can now see now, I want to like go everywhere to see where do I have some money. I will have to like be checking everywhere where probably I have some investment, where I have some whatever. So you can see now, I'll pull out money from Sizu and then, right? Now to tell you now within this week, today is 19th, okay? Today is 19th. Where was the beginning of this week? Let me check very quickly. Coming. Crypto is big. If you really understand what it is, you will not miss the opportunity. And then cash flow is one of the greatest things you can think about, right? Beginning of this week was on the 15th. That was Monday. So on the 15th and on the 17th. So on the 15th and on the 17th, I would do, today is 19. It's like I'm gapping 33 days. On the 15th, yeah, look at it. Let's look at it this way. On the 15th, let's look at my withdrawal history. So on the 15th, on the 17th, on the 19th. So 217, 135, 137. So altogether will be how much? Let's look at it. 135 plus 137 plus 217 that have been withdrawn, 489. Now, that's not up to a week. Today is Friday. So on Sunday, we don't know how much may be. So that means on the average on this account, in a week, that is like average of $500. So that means in a month, average of $2,000. So if that is an average in a month, $2,000, now divide by in a month. 2,000 like divided by 30 days, that's about $66 per day. Now, you have not talked about the other money that will be earned additionally on $1,250. So $2,000 plus $1,250, that will be $3,250, right? Divide by 30 days, that's about $108 per day. Now divide by 24 hours, right? That's about $4.5 every hour. Now divide by 60 minutes, that's about 0.7. That's about 7 cents every minute, only from CZU in one account. Now, I don't know how to coerce people. I have learned to mind my business, but I do not relent to share with people every time. Okay, people don't pay up attention, but I share continually because I know we need cash flow. We need to build up portfolios, especially those of us in crypto. Now I trade very, very well, and then but I know I need the more money I make, the more I'm able to leverage. But I do not have all the time to day trading. I swing and I trade breakout. And that's what I do more because I do not have so much energy to dissipate on staying on chart every seconds and all of that. Okay, so you can now see why most time people don't recognize the fact that we're building strategic movement of business activities. Okay, so I build up strategy, I build up, money making venture, and then trade my coin as much as I can. And then, but if you don't have a cash flow, you get frustrated. That's the truth. You get frustrated. When the opportunity presents itself for you to add more, you complain of there's no money. We say now the dip is here. Why don't you buy? Okay, look at it now. Zilliqa just bought more now for me because the market just dipped more, just bought more. So now, over time now, I may have to need money. I may have to need more money. So I may have to go to because I need to go back now. Let me show you guys. I may need to go back to my, if you look at it, guys, let me show you guys something. This is how the secret of cash flow. Now, if you look at my account now, nothing is here. Just $4 on my Binance that is doing, strategic trading for me. My boat is buying more and buying more. So now I do not have enough money. See, $4. That means my boat may be hanging. Look at what I'm going to do. So let me just see. I go to my, what I call sub account. In my sub account, I may have money there. Now I'm going to do one magic before you come back to see what I've done. I'm going to do one magic. I'm going to go to my sub account, and then I go to my profile, I go to sub account, and then in sub account, I think I can move out $100 from my, go to asset management, okay, and then, sub account, okay, I'm having $500 in my sub account. Come on, Skibble, this is crazy. What? It's just none I realized myself. So $100. Okay, I'm gonna move $100 right out. So I'm gonna say out, and then $100. Where are you, man? This crazy guy. Okay, USDT. Yeah, $100. Yeah, to where? To my sport of these $100. Come on, we're here. Yeah. Now, look at it. Because I've been able to double my money on my, future trading for my sub account, right? I use my sub account to do future trading. I've doubled the money I put to the sub account on the future. Now, not all the time. Now, once I got good confirmation now, I'm going to go back to the trade. And then probably when I see a good return, trend return, I'm going to go back to go long on the same sub account to multiply more money. Now let me show you guys for you to see that I've moved $100 here. Yeah, just $100. Good. Can you see? $100 now is here. So whatever the both want to do, let it do it. So, but the sub account is there, to do its own job. Okay, I just realized that, okay, wow, are you kidding me? That is super amazing. So crypto is massive and it's phenomenal. So you just need to know what exactly you're looking for and then work with it, and strategically you're good to go. So we have different platforms like that. So now, if you go to our Cahsflow, we have now Cahsflow. Let me quickly look at it. So I think I need to add this new one to our Cahsflow now. Streak. Is this streak? They call it streak. If I need more money to buy more streak just now. Oh my goodness. I need more money to buy more streak. Streak, what is wrong with you? Okay, so I'm coming just a moment. So guys, crypto is not magical. I've been saying this time without number that we need to wake up, do the ideal thing, and then we can print money. But if you don't wake up to do the ideal thing, you won't print money. That's the truth. Doing the ideal thing and print money is strategic in nature. Okay, I'm going to add streak now here. Number 5. Streak. Number 5, streak. Staking. Okay. So if you are on our cash flow system, I just added streak. There are other things we have there. We have next gen, we have CZU, we have AFF2. Oh, I think I have some more money there. Okay, no, I don't want to touch that one. I want it to be there. Okay, we have FMC. Okay, yeah, Aliyah. We just did Aliyah not long. Aliyah. So let me go there. That one is just like kind of strategic staking stuff. But I needed to buy more Aliyah token to hold. Oh my goodness. Can you see now? Money will never be enough in the hands of an entrepreneur. Because an entrepreneur is always seeing what to do with money every seconds. Every seconds, an entrepreneur sees what to do with money. I've told you guys, when you see somebody wasting money every now and then, it's not an entrepreneur. A real entrepreneur always know what to do with money. So that's why when you give money to an entrepreneur, it's going to convert it to wealth. But people who spend lackadaisically don't really know what they are doing. They want to just jump around and, right, then tell you, hey, this is what I do and all of that. Now you can see now I have a staking in again in Aliyah. Let me show you guys. So can you see this is Aliyah? So I have 500 pieces of Aliyah stake. Now this Aliyah, now I want to make it up to 3,000. Now up to 3,000. How much is one Aliyah? 38 cents. So only 500 is what is here. Now if you look at it, that means I need additional 2.5. Now 2.5 Aliyah, if I will be able to buy now, multiply by 39 cents. That's $975. So that means I need $975 now to make my Aliyah 3,000. That's one thing. Now, and I want to buy the Aliyah more and keep without, the mining of a thing. That's one side. Now, if you look at it here now, okay, you can see we have the next gen, we have CZU exchange, AFF2P, we have the Aliyah now, we have the streak, and then other things are there, drip network, you can see animal farm, drip faucet, then we have, all right, BSC swap, we have Brew Labs, I don't even remember all of those, we have Midas, all right, we have Mavi for Utron chain and all of that. So these are the things. So when you are watching this live, then you can quickly go to, and that was the thing I said what? How to build system that pay you daily as follows. Now, your target is how to make $1 per minute and $60 per hour and $1,440 per day, and $10,000 per week, and $43,000 per month, and $518,000 in a year, which is very possible. Now you start from here. Now, ordinarily, a lot of people have left here, but people have not even know what they are doing to be here. Those are the strategic things we're doing. So you can now see we say solution, that the solution is that personal trading on crypto FX, stock, staking, blah, 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 staking project, DeFi games, affiliate system, third party, investing, opportunity, coins, and launchpad. So I've done, things like this, and that's what you see me spreading on here and there. Like I come into my Sapphire the other day, look at what I did. I come into my Sapphire the other day and I saw money because of the affiliate, maybe some persons buy into some packages, I wouldn't know. And what did I do? Look at it. If you go to my ledger, I withdrew how many Litecoin? Can you see? I withdrew $270, all right, the other day. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, let's see, withdraw. That's going to tell us more. Can you see? I withdrew, when was this? On the 15th, I withdrew 5 Litecoin. On the 17th, I withdrew another 5 Litecoin. Yesterday, 18th, I would do 4.2 Litecoin. Ask me, Felix, what was this money used for? Other investment. And if you look at this account itself, because I built affiliate here, and if you see, I withdrew this coin, sold, and bought back. All right? If you know how many volume of this Zenith coin I've minted, because like this account is maybe on $10,000 or euro package, and I've withdrew. Now, I've withdrew the coin. It's just a small fraction that is in now, 6,000 plus, which is about 500 euro. And I withdrew over 40-something thousand, sold at about 70-something cent, getting about 41,000 or thereabout, and bought back the same volume I sold, and then used the other money to buy other projects. These are the strategy you must always work with, not to carry the way, oh, this is the company. And if you look at this account now, it can get to diamond anytime. Because why? The company said they are bringing their swap, they're bringing the tokenization that make us to even join this platform. That's the truth, that they are bringing some of those things. Now, what happened? I'm already in the system. When they bring it, it's not difficult for me to like now say, well, guys, see what we're doing. Then, and people too will see reason. Now, but if you look at it, how much have I made from this company ordinarily? From the affiliate alone, 54,000 euro. Look at it, 54,000 euro from the affiliate alone. That's what I've made. Then on the performance, that is leadership, whatever, monthly, this thing, 23,682, that is performance. Then ranking, look at the ranking, let me show you. So you can now see why we are crazy in cash flow. Now look at it. When Ruby was 300 euro, double Ruby was 600 euro, Sapphire was 3,000 euro, double Sapphire was how much? 9,000 euro. Black Sapphire was 15,000 euro. So that is about 27,900 euro. Now let's go back. Plus 27 plus 23,682 euro. That's 51,582. Then plus 54,405 euro plus 54,405 euro. That's about 105,987 euro. Now, let's take this. How much in dollar? We'll say 105,987. 987 euro to dollar. So that's about 106,475. Now, there are other accounts like that that make some more significant, at least to a level of at least certain significant amount of money too. So this is 105,000 euro. Now look at it and other places like that. Let me show you guys. So the essence of diversification and cash flow, let's look at this guy. 12,960 euro plus 27,769 euros. So let's look at that. So let's say plus 12,000. Yeah, am I correct? 12 plus 12,960 euro plus 27,769 euro plus, now this account now is double sapphire going to black sapphire is at 91%, remaining 9% to get to that. So plus 9,000 euro plus 3,000 euro plus 600 euro plus 300 euro. That's about 159,000 euro. Then you can still go on and on to other ones like that and see how much money. Now, in this case, what's being made here is not the case. What was being made here was not the case. So that's 150, okay? 159,616. 159,616 euro. So that's about 160,000 euro. Okay. What is the prevailing? What's the rates? This guy, man, BTC. Okay, my market has bought more again. Only God knows which coin again he bought more. Okay, Matic. Can you see he bought Matic at $72 again, at 72 cents. So that means Matic he crashed down. He quickly collects and add for me. That's dollar cost averaging. It's crazy, right? That's crazily amazing, right? So now, if you look at it, how much, I just want to see, how much is the rate? Okay, I think he didn't want to, people cannot, so it means people will not be able to sell P2P today. Okay, so that's just to show you, if this is the case, let's say just multiply by it. So 160,000. So let's just say 160,000, right? Multiply by 650. That's about, I don't understand. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's about 104 million naira. Now, this is July, this is August. I think I started the business July 2021. Yeah, I started the business July 2021. Now, this has nothing to do with the coin I've minted and I sold and bought back. This has to do with the affiliate. And you can now see the reason why when I said building a cash flow, these are the 5 tools or ingredients: personal trading, staking project, affiliate system, third-party timely investing, opportunity coins. Okay, so it's cumbersome for people to like, no. So when you are doing personal trading, you must not be doing day trading. Personal trading and portfolios, you can buy. Now market is crashing, and that's why you need platform. Platform like where you can see that we have the private mentorship, which costs you $5,000, right? $5,000 one-off. If you know what you are going to benefit from it, okay, so that's just to tell you how now you need to get access to the right information. Now, no matter how bad it is, as we observed that the market was crashing down, you were waiting and you were waiting. Even if at this point you start buying the market, if it crashes down, you buy more. That's cost average. Then later you will not wait too long in the market to have been able to break even. But people are not ready. You are not the type that have time, and you don't want to sacrifice your money to work for you. Then you will be in bus stop. That's the truth. So building cash flow is important. It's very, very important to be able. You can now see the list of things I just told you, just little what I told you of the money I still need more. I need to make these guys up to 100,000, and the 100,000 is actually not my target. It's just the immediate target. The longer target is actually 500 and no, it's about 700,000. Yeah, no, 1 million. So you can imagine to get to 1 million now, where am I going to start from? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need, okay, $6,711. It's not even too much. 1 million. And this was the same 1 million when somebody was able to buy, maybe when the price was as low as this, 211. So imagine 1 million would now be, so 1 million pieces of the coin, which is like a nightmare for me now because too many things are calling for my attention, multiplied by 0.0022, let's say. Just $2,200 will have gotten me the 1 million. But guess what? I still need more money to buy other coins. There are too many in my front. Okay? There are too many in my front that needed to buy more and all of that. So you can see now, we just bought 31,000 plus not long, 31,100 and something, which we spent 210. Yeah, we spent $210. Okay, 31,300 and something. Now it's now 31,200 and something. You can see that the price was changing. When I came, it was loss of 25%. So that means somebody who bought at that loss of 25% at 16.9 and 7, this is 17%. That means the person had covered 7% profit going up, right? Of course, there's tax, you can see. No. So crypto is big. Just work your strategy to make lots and help yourself out. So we've done a lot of massive, okay, there's another coin I needed to add more, though I am not still at loss at the price I bought it. So, but as it came down, I needed to add more, but I do not have enough money. Can you see? 21% loss. Of course, this is the market crash. This is the time now I'm supposed to add to this guy so that I can go ahead and stake more of this guy. Oh my goodness. Crypto is phenomenal, guys. Okay? So imagine, can you see why we need cash flow? Imagine I have more money now because I actually want to make this guy to up to like, I think it's 100,000 or 100 something. Because I love round figure. It gives me sharp arithmetic to finish up. Okay? Look at it. I will do some staking here the other time with this guide, showing people how to do UFO gaming staking. It's coming up. So building cash flow is important. The secret of cash flow system is massive, and you must work out your salvation because people just want to come, they hear stories, motivational talks. No, I don't do that. I tell you raw and direct, and you want to take it, you take it. And I don't disregard things like that. Just say, this is not, these are nonsense. No. Knowledge is changing every second. Okay? Knowledge changes every now and then. So don't claim you know it all. If you do that, you're going to mess up big time. Okay? So look at it. I need to stake more of this coin. Let me check. Reward. I think the network is just popping up. Yeah. UFO gaming, if maybe you have money, why not? You would say, okay, let me just buy some. But I know some of us who have bought it for a very long time were still in profit. Okay. So you can see what was take or just small fractions, 40 million, 30 million, and it's not more than 70 million. And then maybe the volume held. Now, if you look at it now to buy the same, just 70 million. So you just need $260. It's not much. This is 1, 2. So now let's say I need 100 million, just $373 that I wanted to just buy and keep somewhere. 100 million, just $373. So 100 million. Okay. If I say 500 million, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's just 1,000. So let's just say 200 million. Wow. So 200 million will have. So what's my target? I will not tell you. So you can see people still bought 30 days ago, they are still money and all of that, stuff like that. So I'm just showing you, dimension of this opportunity is massive, is phenomenal, right? You can see when it pumps so crazily. There's so many things to buy than to see money to be wasting. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are listening to me, you want to be part of our community, it's very simple. All right, you can be on the free forum too. We have the cash flow system, then we have the mega grid and all of that. Then for you to get enrolled to the Plan B, we have the Crypto Academy. Let me quickly check it, if you can see something like that here on Plan B Express. We're just revitalizing our portal for a long time, and then we've not really had time to have finished it. Go to the courses. So you have private mentorship. We have private mentorship, which costs you $5,000 one-off. And these are the things: mentorship, trading strategy, AI, and all of those things, TA, FA, and entry position and exit, all the research methodology. Then Be With Me Premium. Be With Me Premium costs you $1,500 yearly, and then just get access to strategy, portfolio management. Then we have the academy, the Crypto Academy. You have $150 for basic, you have $300 for intermediate, advanced for $500, and then masterclass and all of those things you get to know about it. And then you have the both AI training and then $750. But if you're on private mentorship, all of this, you don't pay anything again because it covers everything. You have the tokenized stock, then $750 is actually yearly. Then you have the low gems, right? So the low gems to $750 yearly. Then you have the free forum, like I said, crypto weekly updates. So every Sunday, right? And business opportunity every Sunday, we do live Zoom. Then we have the Telegram channel for the cash flow system. Then you see how you can just so people come to tell me and they complain, I don't know how to do. I say, no, it's not true. Pay attention. Then if you're on the YouTube, you connect to my YouTube channel. Maybe I say Felice, maybe I say if you click, you search my YouTube channel. Oh, sorry, I didn't know that it was not shared. Look at it. I was just thinking I shared it. So if you go to Plan B Express, so you have the courses, you have the private mentorship, cost you $5,000, right? One-off. Then you have the Be With Me Premium, $1,500 yearly. You have the Crypto Academy. Now this is $150, $300, $500, and $1,000 one-off, and then you get to learn basic and all those content you need to see there. Right, then you have the boat training there, $750. You have the tokenized stocks. You have the tokenized stocks, $750, all right? And then you have the low gems, CLE, $750, and how to research for low caps and low gems coins, tools for crypto project analysis, understanding liquidity, and some other things you get to know about it. And there are free crypto updates. That's Plan B free weekly crypto updates and business opportunities. Then the cash flow system, you have the Telegram channel is free, and then your WhatsApp. And that's why you see that we mentioned some of those things that I just didn't mention here now. Talked about all of these things on the cash flow system, the staking project, the third-party opportunity, and all of those things, so you can leverage on it. Then the link to join all of those Telegram channel. If you're on this YouTube channel, you can get to see and then use the link to join them. So if you need any information, any more clarification and all of that, of course, you can always ask me, right? Okay, somebody say you didn't see my screen, but I'm sure you will see my screen now. Okay, so that's the wonderful thing about building a cash flow. You always need more money. You always need more money. When you're building cash flow, you always need more money because nobody will be able to, you can't be a waster if you're building genuinely. I'm not talking of robbing Peter to pay Paul. You see now, so this coin now is very possible that somebody even buy like as I'm talking now will have made money maybe eventually when you go back to, because it was at 208. So imagine when you go back to 208 or even cancel 10 and come to 1 cent, you're already much money, all of that. All right. So thank you very much, everyone. Take advantage of our platforms and help yourself. The bear market is not your challenge. It's never your enemy. Your enemy is your ignorance and not ready to pay rapt attention for personal development. I can tell you till tomorrow. Most people are not ready to pay the price it takes to build your portfolio. Pay rapt attention, build your portfolio, help yourself out instead of gallivanting and then cajoling yourself. All right. So you do not need to do that. So just help yourself out to make money as much as possible. All right. Thank you very much. You do have a nice time. Enjoy yourself. Get back to whoever sent you this video. But if you want to chat up with me, my name is Cahsflowsystems. That's a team lead of Plan B Express. And my phone number is +234 80369245 and 88. You can chat up with me as simple as possible. And then calling may not really help you because I'm not the type that have time for calls as much as possible. So, but you can always chat up with me. Then we discuss business and how to move ahead. You can do crypto joyfully without stress. That's the truth. But you put yourself on that problem when you don't want to learn and pay rapt attention or to have mentor that will always guide you through. All right. Nice time. Connect on the YouTube. Like the video and then subscribe so that you can get more videos about our platform. Do have a nice time. Bye-bye.